Hello subscribers, guess what? Today we are going to talk about an app called Rave. You need to go Google, type RAVE and download the app. This app is an online platform that you can watch videos and movies with your friends. Once you have installed, all you need to do is open the app and this is what you will see. Watch, chat, talk, sing and dance with anyone anywhere. All you need to do is log in with Facebook, Twitter or your Gmail account. It's as easy as that. All you need to do is wait till you log into the app. This platform helps you connect with your friends from anywhere at any time. And to set up, it will ask for certain feature permission. You can allow, deny by reading them through. It will ask for the location, the context. It's all your choice on whether you want to deny it or allow it. Allowing it will make it easier for your friends to join your rave party, after which you will be able to set your own profile. You can also search for your friends through their email ID. All you need to do is type out their name or email address, look for their profile and click on the small plus icon to add them. At the bottom right hand corner, you can see the plus, where it will bring you to another place where you can press on the Netflix. To watch a movie on Netflix, you need to log in, and your friends who are going to join you for the movie must also have an account in Netflix. Other than Netflix, you can also catch movies from Prime Video. All you need to do is log in, select a movie and invite your friends over to watch. And of course, your friends must have an account in Prime Videos as well. You can even watch YouTube videos. Scroll down to search for your favorite videos or simply just hit the search button and type the video that you would like to watch. Once you have selected, you need to play the video. You can then choose the settings to set it into privacy mode, where only your invited friends can join you. If you set it to public, anyone can join you. You can then share the link to your friends through WhatsApp or invite them in Rave app itself. Once they join you, you can have a chat. If you turn it to full screen, there's also mic that you can press and chat and talk at the same time while watching the movie with your friends. The messages from your friends will come at the bottom of the screen. Once the video have finished, you can look through for other videos or hit the search button again to type the video that you would like to watch with your friend. Once you've selected the second video, it will take some time before the second video starts playing, just like this. So, what are you waiting for? Download Rave app today and watch movies and videos with your friends. They can be in any part of the world and you can watch videos at any time. Awesome, isn't it? There are also other online platforms within Rave that you can use to watch movies or even videos. When the video you are watching is almost over, you can actually search for another video and it will show that it is waiting to be played right after the first video is over. I hope this video has helped you understand a Rave app better. Like, comment and share this video to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.